Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going to make a couple more appetizers. I wanted to break it up because I don't want you to feel overwhelmed, but these are super easy. In our last video, we went ahead and did the Hawaiian themed bread appetizers. So if you have not checked that out, I'm going to link it above. You're going to go over there and watch that. You are going to have very happy guests when they come over for football games, parties, whatever it is that you need something quick and easy. This is what you're going to do. So in this video, we are going to make Jimmy Dean queso along with ham roll-ups, and we're also going to show you like a pinwheel version with a ranch dip. So let's get cooking. For our Jimmy Dean queso, we're going to start with Jimmy Dean sausage. I prefer the maple. You can get regular or hot. Queso from Tostitos, and then your Tostitos. Super easy. For our ham roll-ups, we're going to do honey ham. I have boar's head honey ham here. You want them to cut it thick enough to where you can make a roll-up. You don't want the thin ham, so that's important for this recipe. Cream cheese, green onion. I am going to show you a way to do it with tortillas. And then our dip, which is sour cream and ranch. First things first, we're going to go ahead and get this Jimmy Dean sausage in our frying pan. Let that cook and smell amazing while we make our ham roll-ups, okay? We're going to torture ourselves a little bit. Now what you want to do is get a little assembly line going, whatever way it was going to work for you. We're going to start with cutting our green onions, and I like to make them not quite the length of the ham, but pretty close. So cut them right there and then right here. This part, it's not important for this recipe. Another tip is for the cream cheese. A lot of recipes you want to soften your cream cheese. Do not do that for this recipe. Let it stay in the fridge for as long as possible. This is going to be easier to cut if it's harder by being in the fridge. So we've got our green onion. We'll just take our ham. So what I'll do is I'll do one ham roll-up and just show you that way. So if you're watching carbs, you could go with the tavern ham and then no tortilla. The cream cheese is going to be fine for you, and the green onion is great for you. Then you're going to take your cream cheese. So this is going to be too much cream cheese, this slice. So what I like to do is just cut that in half. So you've got two slices there. Put it on your ham. Take your green onion, however much you like. I love green onion. I put two slices on each, and then I'm just going to roll. Again, there's so many different options for this. You could add cheese to it from the deli if you wanted. And then you can take it and cut it in half like that. And it looks like that. So pretty. And just put it on your plate. And then you've got your dip that we're going to show you in just a little bit how to do that. For my second kind, I'm going to do more of a pinwheel. That's going to be your tortilla. Then you'll take some cream cheese. Put that on the inside of the tortilla. You're going to spread it around. Take your ham and your green onion and then roll that up together. And this is a really good one for quick just appetizer if you need to get something together. You could cut this so you don't want it to be too heavy. You could cut it into multiple. So you've got 4 little pinwheels. And it's going to look like that. Now, if you're making it and you're a little hungry, always take the ends. That's the ones you want to eat. They're not as pretty as the inside ones. A little tip for you. It's always fun to add a little dip to the side. So this is an easy one. We're going for easy, guys. It doesn't have to always be homemade, made from scratch. Sometimes you just need easy. And I don't want you to miss the football games. I don't want you to miss the party. I want you to enjoy yourselves and not look like a hot mess. Sometimes I'm like, I look like a hot mess right now because I've been cooking all day. So go up, take time, get yourself ready, and you can still have a fun party with these easy dishes. So this recipe calls for 16 ounces, which I don't need that much today because there's not that many of us. So I'm probably only going to use about half of this package. But if you wanted to use the whole package, just put in 16 ounces of sour cream. Again, if you want to taste it, and you can kind of mix it together and then taste, and if you want to add more, then you can. Always start off less and you can always add more. And this is a great dip for the roll-ups. You could put chips by it, crackers, whatever you want, vegetables. This would be a fun one for like cucumber, broccoli, that kind of stuff. This is a great dip. It's like ranch. Meat is brown, then you're just going to add your queso and let it warm up for just a few minutes. It doesn't take long. This is what it's going to look like. It smells so good. And if you have like a little mini crock pot that you could put it in, that's a great way to serve this. I don't have that today, but that's okay. We're going to eat it right now. So you can just pour it into a dish and serve it with your favorite chip. That easy, but everybody's going to love it. It doesn't always have to be difficult for people to love, okay? Don't stress yourself out. You don't have to be a gourmet chef. This is supposed to be fun, and I want you to have fun with it. We're going to just put some Tostitos around it. And here's your Jimmy Dean queso sausage dip. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope you have fun on your game day or party or whatever it is you're gonna do. Enjoy that time together with friends and family. Thank you so much. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and share this video. Thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.